So, I was almost killed the other day, she says so nonchalantly. Not on my bike. I was in my car. Pulled out of my work parking lot and I was just about ready to pass a side street which had a stop sign. A guy was pulling up to the stop sign, but he didn't stop. You could tell he was in a hurry, so he slowed down a little bit and just went right in front of me. And barely missed me, by the way. I had to slam on my brakes so I didn't ram into the side of him. And I was so pissed. And I shouldn't have, but as he passed in front of me, I flipped him off. Yes, I gave him the bird. Shouldn't have, will never do it again. But be that as it may, I flipped him off. And he became totally unhinged. That really pissed him off. Okay? Because as I started going again, I could see in my rearview mirror that he had done a real fast U-turn in the middle of the street and was hauling ass to catch back up to me. And you could tell he was pissed because he was literally flying to catch up to me. This is an industrial area. Speed limit was very low. 35 miles an hour, I think. So I see him coming up behind me and I'm thinking, uh-oh, he's gonna ram me from behind. And hurt me somehow. So I was kind of getting concerned, and then instead of hitting me, he kind of swerved at the last second, and I thought he was then going to possibly just sideswipe me, take my mirror off, something like that. Barely missed it. He yanked the car over in front of me, slammed on the brakes, put it in reverse, and started backing up. So I'm like, oh no, what now? Like, sorry that you're the one who almost caused an accident and I flipped you off. Well, so here we are sitting in the middle of the street, just staring at each other. You know, he's like staring at me in his rearview mirror. I'm like, what's he gonna do? I was kind of shook up, so what I should have done was grab my phone and called 911, or gotten his license plate at the least. But I didn't even think to do that, because that just doesn't happen to you very often, I don't think. So finally he went, and as he did another U-turn up the street a ways, he was yelling out his window at me and giving me the bird back. So you get what you give. I probably will never flip anybody off again after that incident. Because it was not cool. I've never seen anybody get so upset after getting flipped off like that. If you're in California and somebody almost hits you or makes you have an accident, don't flip them off, because you don't know what they're going to do. You don't know if they have a gun. You don't know if they're going to get out and beat the crap out of you. And there was nobody around. It was like mid-morning. No traffic, no cops, no pedestrians, nothing. So just say no to the bird. I've had to learn to get a handle on road rage because people do some crazy stuff on the road in their cars. You know why? Because they're stuck in a car in California traffic.